Today we're happy to announce that our popular LED Afterburner tail lights are now available for the 2020 and newer Slingshot models. These custom-made taillights are inspired by the Lamborghini Aventador and feature integrated running lights, brake lights, and sequential turn signals for that exotic look. The lights are coated with an epoxy resin to stand up to the elements and mount in place with high-strength 3M VHB backing tape for maximum adhesion. These lights are also 100% plug and play, but do require that you have the TricLED logic box before installation. The logic box seamlessly integrates with the Slingshot's wiring system and allows for simple plug and play expansion on over a dozen TricLED lighting mods. Now, if you haven't installed the logic box yet, I went ahead and threw a link in the description below so that you could watch that installation video as well. Now, without further ado, allow us to walk you through the Afterburners installation on one of our shop Slingshots.
Before you begin, make sure that you're parked on level ground, your parking brake is engaged, and that your ignition is off. The manufacturer recommends adding a dab of dielectric grease to the electrical connection points on all lighting strips and extension harnesses included with the kit. Use a T40 Torx wrench to remove the screws holding in your license plate mount. Then unplug the connector for your license plate light. Use a T40 Torx wrench to remove the 8 screws holding in your lower deck panel. So that you can remove it from the bike. There is a left and right side afterburner light. Grab the light that corresponds to the side of the body panel you'll be starting with and test fit it to familiarize yourself with how it will be mounted. The wiring harness coming off the LED light should be facing towards the outside of the body panel like so. And the edge of the LED board should be perfectly aligned with the crease in the body panel located here. This will provide you with adequate spacing on the other side of the LED board when reattaching the body panel later in the video. Use a paint pen or Sharpie to mark the edge of the plastic at the wiring location, and then use a small round file to notch the plastic. This notch will allow us to tuck the wiring around the body panel for a clean look when reinstalling the panel back onto the vehicle. Then repeat that process for the other side. Use the included alcohol wipes to clean the surface area at which each LED will be adhered, and allow that to dry. Then prep the same surface area with the included adhesion promoter. Once that's dry, hold the corresponding LED up to the body panel to ensure that you have the correct side. Then peel back a small section of the protective backing film and adhere the corner edge into place. Again, making sure that the edge of the LED board aligns with the crease in the plastic located here, and that the wiring harness is facing towards the outside of the body panel. Remove the remainder of the backing film and press firmly to adhere the entire LED board into place. Repeat that process for the other side. Peel back a small section of the backing film, adhere the corner into place, align the edge of the LED with the crease in the plastic, then pull back the rest of the backing film and press the board firmly into place. Locate the 2 extension wires included with your Afterburner kit and plug one extension into each LED light. As mentioned earlier in the video, this product does require that you've previously installed the TricLED Logic Box wiring kit. Locate the 4-pin 1:4 splitters included with that kit and plug the single end of one of the splitters into the Logic Box connector that you ran to the rear end of the vehicle on the driver's side, Then repeat on other side. Locate the 2 modules that were included with your Logic Box kit labeled Only for SS Afterburners, and plug one module into any of the available ports on the 1:4 splitter, then repeat on other side. Carefully bring over the lower deck panel and connect the Afterburner modules to the extension wires coming off each LED. Turn on your ignition and test your running lights, brake lights, and sequential turn signal functionality. If everything is functioning properly, use 2 of the factory screws to reattach the corner locations of the lower deck panel with a T40 Torx wrench. This will align the panel so that you can lift it up into place, making sure to pull through the connector for the license plate light. Then use a T40 Torx wrench to reinstall the remaining factory screws. Plug in your license plate light connector and reinstall your license plate mount with a factory hardware and a T40 Torx wrench.
There you have it, folks. If you'd like to see a set of Afterburner tail lights on your Sling, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a set for yourself. Feel free to like and subscribe to keep seeing cool content just like this. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.